Singsang Tai Tai Hiho. I am Maricel Cagomo, born on March 22, 1993. 33 years old. From Manila, Philippines. I am single parents and blessed with two children. Age 15 and 8 years old. I am high school graduate. I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I worked as a housemaid in Philippines for 2 years from January 2024 to January 2026. I serve a couple and 6 years old child.
Hello, Miss Maricel Kagumok. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties in taking care of the whole family, providing the service that they need, especially when it comes to their child.
Okay, so what if you damage something from your employer's house? What will you do?
Ma'am, sir, I will say sorry and I will promise to be careful next time.
Okay, so what if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How will you communicate with her?
Sir, ma'am, I will use sign language and I will study on how to understand and to speak their language.
All right. What is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on the cheek, if the clothes it with the always keep them safe.
Okay, so what if the employer's children are very naughty in the house? Will you beat them?
No, sir, ma'am, I will just talk to them nicely, love them, understand them because in the first place, they are just child who always want to play.
Okay, so how will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure door and without are always closed. Keep charm object away and keep harmful material out of their reach.
All right. What is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is with the baby on time and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby praise bath and baby paid the baby and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do by household.
Okay, so do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly did this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family and I promise to do my duties and responsibility and I will finish my contract.
All right, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Maricel Kagumok, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Ma'am and sir, thank you and I am looking forward to pour with you as soon as possibly.